Let's have a taste. Crunchy still. Have another taste. I just made stir-fry Chinese broccoli with garlic. I have here a bowl of hot rice. It's just the right amount. Not too salty, not too oily, garlicky, just how I want it. Another one. Normally, I eat the 7 grains, but things like this and certain comfort foods, I have to have white rice. It just doesn't taste the same with the healthier rice. Sometimes I can just eat plain white rice with a really good kimchi or something as simple as stir-fry vegetable. And it's still pretty delicious. What are you having for dinner tonight? Let me know in the comments below.